How's everybody been? Literally, I just thought about this video today. I am going for my UK visa appointment, and I said, why don't I bring you guys along? Like, I'm going to see my cousin. Congratulations to Nefi, guys. She just did her graduation a few days back, and it was so nice. Like, I'm so proud of her. I'm going to see her, and yeah, I couldn't make it for her graduation, but I just need to renew my UK visa because it had expired, and I didn't apply earlier so that I could make it for her graduation. But yeah, I'm still going to go and see her. Anyways, I said I should bring you guys along since I've not vlogged in a while. I'm trying to prep my head. I'm going to wear, it's just this bob wig. Notice you, I just want to go and do this appointment and get it done with. So yeah, I had to like reapply for renewal of the visa, and I just got my date today, which is Thursday 9th of May. Yeah, Thursday 9th of May. So I'm going to show you guys everything. I don't know if they're going to allow me like video inside the place because it's immigration, so but I'll just be telling you guys like everything that's happening. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys. Ishali is overrated, no. Ishali they talk, they say Ishali is uneducated. So you guys, this hair feels like it's high here because I don't have a wig cap and I don't have to do with what I have. I'm tired. What's your plan tonight? What's your plan? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm going for my UK visa appointment. It's currently like 2:30 and my appointment is for 5:30. So I just wanted to install my hair real quick so I'm not rushing, and I just have that out of the way. I've had my shower and my clothes are laid out here. I'm just wearing like these black pants and a turtleneck, very simple and like corporate. I'm leaving the house 4 because it's a new center. I think their appointment center has been moved, so I want to go early and make sure that's where the place is so that like I'm not confused and all of that, because this is my first time visiting this center in Dublin and I'm going alone, so I have to be on time and make sure it's the right place. You get, I'm just going to chill now and watch some Netflix, Amazon Prime actually, eat. I have my food dished out, and yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I hope everyone is doing okay. I look crazy now because of this drag, but yeah, I'll be picking up camera again once I'm getting ready and stepping out. Okay, see you guys. Guys, I just finished from my appointment and it was okay. It was actually fast and brief. Like, these people don't even waste time, for real. I was a bit tense and I stammered like but I don't even know why. Maybe because it was my first time, I don't know why, but I was a bit tense. But I'm done now. Anyways, I'm at the bus stop and I'm waiting for my bus. I took the taxi going there because I wanted to be on time. I wanted to be on time for my appointment. I just did not want to miss it or be sure about like the location. That's why I just used a taxi. I paid like 35 euros for that cab. But now that I'm done, I'm going to use the bus back home because they're going to charge me 60 cents for the bus ride compared to 35 euros. video. They say I should wait for 3 weeks. Hopefully it comes out before 3 weeks because nobody's waiting for 3 weeks for that visa. But I know the Holy Spirit is going to go with that visa, my visa, and it need to come out early. I couldn't vlog inside because I was tense and I don't want anybody to be telling me, drop your phone, you don't record here. I was not even ready before they say, hey, we will not give her visa. I'm sorry, but like I'll tell you guys about these stages when I get back home. It was not hard, everything was simple and easy. So yeah, let's say I should update you guys. Let's not even talk about the fact that I missed the bus and I ran like I know those juniors when you're three seniors are telling you run. Bro, that's how I was running. You don't want to see me. But anyways, I still missed it though. I'm waiting for the next one now. Hopefully I will not miss the next one. I'll catch up with you guys when I get home.
The next day.
So yeah, welcome back guys. Today is a new day and I'm also going to be vlogging today. I'm going to add this vlog to yesterday. So maybe it's just going to be like a couple of days in my life. I don't know. So yeah, I'm about to just do my makeup real quick as I tell you guys what happened. Yes. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Anyways, when I got to the address, as I mentioned yesterday, I used a taxi because I didn't want to miss my way or be late for my appointment. So I just used a taxi. So it was easier to find and everything. The address was correct. So after I got there, I went into the office and there was like a security guard or maybe if it was a receptionist too, I don't know, but he was wearing a uniform, so I guess it's security. So he said, oh hi, asked me for my form and I gave him my form. He went through his own list and then ticked a number. I think it's like the serial number, he checked, but he ticked a number on his own list and told me to go to the next floor. So I went to the first floor and then there was a line, you guys, so there's like different sections and I think that's immigration office for UK, for Germany and maybe some other places. So I saw Germany and I saw UK. So there was a line for UK. I don't know, everybody is going to UK this summer. I don't know what's going on. But I'm just excited. Okay, calm down. So there was a line, but the line was moving. It was moving. I was saying because I didn't stand for a minute. Like the line was moving. So when I went in, the first officer said, hi, asked me for my passport, my application checklist, and my Irish residence permit, the card. So I gave it to him, then he put it in a folder and printed something out, gave me the printed copy and pasted something on my envelope, then told me, this is your serial number, wait in the waiting room and someone will call you shortly. So I went to the waiting room and I was waiting, like you need to see the UK waiting room it's more occupied than like the others. But anyways, they didn't waste time also, they called my number like real quick. So I went to the next stage because I did self-upload, so I didn't pay for them to like photocopy or anything. I uploaded all my documents, so it was really quick for me. So she just said, you did self-upload? I said yes. Then she checked, I think, on her system and so she was not like, it takes 3 weeks to come out and you should come between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and come with some documents. She told me the documents I need to come with, and that was it. She told me you can wait for your biometrics, which is the next stage. So after I waited for like a couple of minutes to I went in for my biometrics and they took my photograph. They told me to say my name and my date of birth while looking at a particular camera. Then she took my thumbprint, four fingers left and right, and my thumb together, and she told me I was good to go. That was it. I was like, I can go home. She's like, yes, you can go home. Oh, and she told me, you smell so nice. She was like, is that you? I was like, yes. She's like, so nice. Anyways, that was it. So today, you guys, fingers crossed, I pray it comes out before 3 weeks because I'm also trying to make it for Florence's birthday. Oh God, please, my visa should come out quick. Anyways, I'm just excited. So right now, me and Sammy have been seeing the movies as I mentioned earlier, and I want to do my makeup. Nothing serious. I just want to look cute and nice. Yeah, I installed my hair yesterday, so I'm just trying to like press it down. I didn't do any style because I just packed everything to the back. And it was because of this visa immigration where I did this installation. Only I was just entering my little court. But because of this immigration, I said, let me not think, like, I don't know. But yeah, that's why I studied it. So it actually came right on time because now I'm going out. I'm going to movies today, and tomorrow Mark is going to the beach with some of his friends. And so maybe I'm also going to go to the beach and I'll bring you guys along. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope I'm making up for the time that I've left you guys. But yeah, anyways, see you guys. You guys, I want to shave my... I already started, but like... I'm going to do more. I don't even know how he looks. Oh my god. Because Stephanie, I'm gonna happen I don't open doors for no. This somebody that is rushing now. My brother just came in now. I'll just leave the house by 4. It's going. Facial ice cream going. We just go to the movie place and Walid. My brother has already reached here. So let me cross. I look so nice. This is how the place looks. We're actually going to view. My brother do. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. 5. Maybe Godzilla's come out by now. Is it inside or outside? Thanks. Help me. Hey!
Up for some Mrs. Tracy's romance. Whoa.
Hi guys, we just finished from the movies and the movie was so nice. It was like King Kong versus Godzilla or something. It was actually really nice. Like maybe I'll give it like 8.5, maybe even 9. Like there were so many times I was scared and oh, but yeah, this is my favorite. Hi guys.
Do you know what time it is?
Ice cream time.
Do you know what time it is?
Ice cream time.
See, we're not here for a long time. We're here for a good time.
What he said.
Now, lie you, we want both. We want both, I think.
The next day.
Attack smash. Eh, because he has.
The next day.
God would have backed anyone who stepped up in faith.